Hey, well, I'm here today with Liam from Veritas. That's how you say it, right?
That's it.
Veritas Lighting. On this one, actually, I don't know a ton about Liam and what he does, so it's going to be interesting for me to find out, and you guys can find out as well. So, with
Awesome.
that, Liam, why don't you tell us what Veritas Lighting is and what you guys do?
Okay. Well, Veritas Lighting, we're a outdoor lighting company. We're design led, so we try and figure out what we're doing with the customer first
Okay.
before we actually come and design your lighting setup.
What do you mean by that? Like when you say design led, I don't really know what that means.
Design led, so we'll come to your house first, figure out how you use your property, what features at your house you really like,
Yeah.
and then we design it first instead of bringing you just one product and being like,
Oh,
hey,
okay.
this is what you have to install.
Oh, interesting. So, like, I just looked at your stuff a little bit before this, but I just thought you did the lights around the eaves, but you do more than that.
So we
sounds like.
do all outdoor lighting.
Okay.
So anything from patios, driveways,
Mm-hmm.
pathways,
Fountains and ponds and stuff too, or
fountains
no?
and ponds.
Oh, wow.
We have we have a pool job coming up, so
Oh, cool.
we'll wrap around the edge of a pool as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's sweet. How did you get started with the
Mm.
business? Like, what? How long you? First of all, how long you been in business?
Actually, this month we'll be at
Oh, yeah?
1 year.
Nice. Congratulations.
So, yeah,
That's sweet.
it's been a good ride.
Yeah.
I've been in the trades for a long time. I'm an electrician. I've been an
Okay.
electrician for 10 years.
Oh, cool.
12 years now,
Mhm.
actually. I was in it for a long time and just kind of banging my head against the wall at the end,
Yeah.
just feeling like I was missing something.
Like
I
you were
was-
working for someone, or did you
I was
have
always
a
working for
contracting
somebody
company?
else.
Okay.
I kind of
Got
worked
you. Yeah.
all over the interior,
Yeah.
then in Alberta for a little bit,
Okay.
and then my last one was with BC Hydro, just working on dams and
Oh, wow.
substations.
That's interesting.
So that was
Big
interesting stuff. It was
Yeah.
big. It was completely different than what I'm doing right now.
Yeah.
So I was doing that and just realized like I'm kind of plugging away at mixing colors and numbers and
Yeah.
just putting them together. And it was just dry for a long time.
Yeah.
And I couldn't figure out why.
Like you weren't excited to get out of bed in the morning.
I wasn't excited. And that's not me. Like
Yeah.
I have a lot of energy.
Yeah.
But when you're not excited to get out of bed for work, like you need to do something else.
Yeah. Gets to be a drag.
Yeah, it does.
Did you
It
wake
does.
up excited every single day now?
Now every day I wake
Every
up.
day? There's
I
no
wake
days
up
you wake
so
up.
stressed out. No, I wake up at least knowing that I have to do it for myself now instead of
Yeah.
for somebody else.
Yeah. Well, technically for someone else, but
For way more people.
yeah, exactly. Like
Yeah.
people are always like, I want to be my own boss and start a business. I'm like, no, that's not how it works. You have one boss now. Now you're gonna have many bosses.
Exactly. And
So-
I feel that.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was doing that. And then I didn't, that actually kind of shut me down from electrical altogether.
Yeah.
I didn't want to do it at all. I was like, I'm done with trades. Get
Yeah.
me out of here. So then I took a counseling course because I was like, hey, your job looks not bad.
Yeah.
Just kind of swinging to the far other side.
Yeah.
And then while I was sitting in that course, we were coming up to a break and I was getting like antsy because I also can't sit still for very long. My partner's a business owner as well.
Okay.
And so she kind of led the way of like, hey, you can do something like this
Yeah.
for yourself. So while I was sitting in that class, I was making a business plan on like just something easy at home that I could start doing just on the side of school.
Yeah.
And it was an outdoor lighting plan, like
Okay.
landscaping actually.
Yeah.
And then I realized there's a ton of landscapers in the area and
Yeah.
I don't want to just mix in with all of them. And that's a lot more equipment than I want to get.
Yeah.
So I landed on lighting next
Yeah.
to my electrical background with
Yeah. There you go.
landscaping.
Sweet.
And got my first couple jobs while I was still in school.
Nice.
Around the same time, I met one of the big suppliers of these permanent soffit lights,
Yeah.
just out of the blue.
Okay.
Just bought a bike rack off the guy,
Yeah.
and he's like, "Yeah, I sell these lights. Do you want some?"
Mm.
And I was like, "Yeah, show me how to do it." And from there, it kind of took my business from nothing to actually making money.
So a lot of those soffit light places are like a franchise, right? Like there's like the One Home and I don't even know what they're all called. I see them all the time.
Yeah, there's a
and they're
ton of them.
franchised. and then they have like a guy like you will buy the franchise or whatever for an area.
Yeah.
I know a couple of them just from seeing them around.
Yeah.
And do it that way, but yours isn't a franchise. You're just buying them from a supplier.
Yeah. So I go straight to a supplier.
Mm-hmm.
We have a couple different options, but I obviously have my main guys that I like to work with.
Yeah.
Their products all solid.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's set me up from now.
Do you have employees or what do you got?
No, I have subs right now.
Okay.
So I have a handful of subs that I work with.
Electricians or something that are subbing off here?
Electricians and carpenters. They've been super handy as
Yeah.
long as they...
Because you don't have to keep them busy all the time.
Exactly.
You just call them when you need them. What are your goals with the business? Like, do you plan to just continue on how you, I mean, I know you're only a year in, so probably hard to even say, but you got to have some sort of target. Are you planning to grow it and, you know, make a big business out of it? Or are you planning to just kind of continue on what you're doing?
So that's been coming up a lot lately.
Okay.
For the first year, it was just like, okay, let's just
Get some jobs.
Then hit number targets.
Yeah.
So then getting into, okay, how can I build this to be able to sell it eventually or make it worth something? So
your long-term goals are to grow it to something you can sell.
Yeah, we'll see if I start into the supply aspect of it. Try and kind of merge with the company that I do work with.
Okay.
But that's down the road right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense. If you look back at the past year, what's a challenge or, you know, something you ran into that you never would have expected?
Working with one of the guys that I hired, just testing them out. I kind of call it tryouts. I set up a few guys to come to one job and get them working on different parts of it.
Yeah.
And just see how it works out for the week.
Yeah.
And this one guy, I showed this guy how to kind of make a splice and connect something in a certain spot.
Yeah.
And the way I showed him, it was kind of quick and on to the next thing.
Yeah.
On something that, as an electrician and just like doing it a million times over the last however long.
Yeah, you think everyone's born doing it, essentially.
I think it's, I thought it was an obvious thing.
Yeah.
So just totally skipped out on that.
Yeah.
And then he went along his whole day and spliced in something that he shouldn't have, like just backwards the whole time.
Oh, like a whole bunch of times?
A whole bunch. Well, yeah, like 10 times.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, everybody goes home and I turn the lights on and they're not working. And I knew exactly what it was. I was like, oh yeah, I sped through that and he saw it this way.
Yeah.
So I spent the rest of the night going back and changing everything.
Did you have any point in the day where you were like, oh, I wonder if I should double check he's doing that right? And you're like, nah, he's good.
Yeah.
You did?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's why you knew right away.
Yeah.
Because in the back of your mind, you knew you might be doing it wrong.
Yeah, it's funny. You see these little things and you notice it, and then you're like, no, the day's going on. We're good. Everything's working.
Yeah.
He looks like he's working hard, and like I know he's a good guy.
Yeah.
But good guys don't have skills.
Yeah. Well, that's one thing that, I mean, skill you can train, right? You can't necessarily train a guy to be a good guy.
Yeah.
So that's one thing that I definitely have told people that work for us. Like, I'm going to remind you stuff. You might think it might be annoying to you almost how much I'm going to remind, like say, hey, did you check this or did you check that? Like, especially when I was working on site on the tools. I don't work out on site much now. Yeah. But I would just ask over and over, maybe not the same thing over and over, but like just checking simple stuff. Yeah. And I like, don't ever get annoyed by it because you and I both don't want to go back and fix that. Yeah. So let's just, you ask me if you're wondering if I'm doing something right. Yeah. Or if I got something done, and I'll ask you, and we'll just.
It's good to
put no emotion in that. Yeah,
for sure. And
it's not meaning that we don't trust each other. It's just we actually don't want to come back and fix this. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. And I do catch myself now, just like going back and making sure with guys and being like, just checking now.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
So you learn from that, and
absolutely.
I mean, you don't have any employees right now, so you don't have to worry about it. But you still have to show your subs a few things, probably.
100%.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It's nice to have, like, I'm at a point where the subs are actually pretty proficient in what they're doing.
Yeah.
So I can keep 10 steps ahead. Yeah. And then let them do what they're doing. Yeah. Right.
What makes Veritas Lighting different than, I mean, either I can go call one home or someone like that, or I can go call an electrician and say, hey, I need lighting, and they'd probably say, yeah, sure, we'll come quote it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So why would I call you instead?
because I'm going to show up at your house.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you what you do with your yard, how you actually spend your time, and then how you want really everybody else to feel when they show up at your house. So then there's certain trees you like in your yard. There's certain paths you really want to highlight. Like I'm going to figure that out with you. We figure out what light's actually going to like bring that warmth or say bring that pop, depending on what colors you want.
Do we have a good light right here then?
Oh
I
yeah,
just
it's got the
looked at it
paper
again.
towel. No, I can't see
Can't
you.
see a thing.
It's got the paper towel over it. That's the key.
That's to like fade the light a little bit.
Yeah.
You looked at that for a long time. You probably can't see a thing. Well, you're used to it. You probably just walk around with orange spots.
Yeah, I'm
from
just
the
looking at
staring
lights
at
all
lights
day.
all day. So you said what makes you different is you actually know how to make it look nice, like
Yeah.
light up what they want.
Absolutely. And instead of just using your generic, like 15-degree uplight,
Yeah.
there's a whole wide range of different degrees and different color tones that you're going to use for different colors of plants, of shrubs, of rocks.
So I know nothing about that. Like 15-degree uplight's meaningless to me.
Yeah.
I don't have a clue what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And most people probably wouldn't.
No.
So
we don't like to go there.
yeah, so you said you come out and design, but in my mind, I assume that's what they'd all do. But what do what's a normal process look like if I just called some electrician?
Well, they have their catalog of what they use.
Yeah.
It's just usually a generic whatever the supplier has at their place,
Yeah,
which are not fancy lights.
yeah,
And they're just gonna puke in whatever they see fit.
yeah,
They just don't have the background of actually looking at what the textures of your landscape are actually gonna change,
okay.
or how it's gonna change with different lights.
How do you have the background of that? Like you've been in business a year, but how do you?
I've been taking courses.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've taken courses specifically on landscape lighting?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So,
Yeah, most of them probably aren't doing that.
Kishler's got a big one, but they have a nice course you go through.
Okay.
And
Is it like online or you got to go somewhere for
it's
it?
all online.
Okay.
Yeah.
What K value is that light, do you think?
It's just over 3,000.
There we go. This guy knows what he's talking about. It says it's 3,000 K on the button.
Yeah. Just over though.
Okay, I believe you took the courses now. Awesome.
There you go.
Anything else you want to tell people that are watching this?
VeritasLighting.ca.
There you go. Hit veritaslighting.ca and
go.
follow them on Instagram. I think you're on Instagram, right?
Instagram,
Yeah.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Reach out to me.
Well, I appreciate you taking the time, Leo. It was
Yeah.
good.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Duncan.
you
I
bet.
appreciate it.
Yeah. Awesome.